It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. A wonderful day for a neighbor. Won't you be mine? Yes, won't you be mine? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Wonderful guys. What are you doing? Get back in your cage. Just thought, you stupid child. A wonderful day for a neighbor. Yeah. Hi, children. It's me, Mr.Rogers. I'm about to cross the American and Mexican border. So I'm gonna go home and bake a cake. Hello, children. I'm back to make a cake for my friend Caitlin. Okay, so, cause I haven't fed her in weeks, and I mean in seconds. Okay, let us see what we have. Heroin, check. Flour, check. Eggs, who needs that? Sugar, oh no, we don't have any sugar. Let's go talk to the Mexican terrorist guy next door. Okay, here we are at the market. Hello, I am in need of a... That's strange. Okay, I need some sugar. I need some sugar! You dropped something. You dropped something, okay? Is that weed?
No.
Is that weed? It better not be weed. Shouldn't you go after him? He's got a bomb, you know. Oh no! He got tackled. Wait, but I never... Whoa. Man, whoa, that's crazy, insane. Okay, let's go back to my house. Well, since I have the sugar, let's go back to my house and give Caitlin that cake. Okay, I made my friend that cake right now, and so I think she thinks it's pretty delicious. Ow! Sit down. So, children, what do you think that we learned today? Well, we learned that heroin is bad for you. The next one is that the world is small out enough that we know that Mexico is right by Philadelphia, and Canada is right across over there.
Hey!
See you next time when I play next to the... No, Turn off the camera right now.